Welcome to the CryptoNest. So I was kind of busy, very busy lately. Now I have a little bit of a time, so I can do some charting for about half an hour, 1 hour. Let's see how it goes. I did rearrange a little bit the counts, and now I have two scenarios to propose. All right, so my previous one it was and still is that we have a wave 1 here, a wave 2. This was a third wave because we did reach the 1.618, and after that this was the fourth and the fifth. And then I was looking for an ABC, right? And we had the A, and then I did tell you, wouldn't be surprising if we do a higher B wave. But now the higher B wave is started to be a little bit unreasonable because it did reach even higher than 1.618 just for fun. Did it reach the 2.618? Where are you? Here. Almost reached the 2.618. So I think I'm going to take out this option now. I don't think this can be still a B wave. And that's the greatness of Fibonacci. You know, at least we have option to invalidate things, scenarios, and then we can concentrate on others. So I can count 5 way up. So this could be already a wave 2, right? So that's a third scenario that I need to put in. And I'm going now to check how would that be, or how would it look. So wave 2, so very shallow. Let's see here. Yeah, it's very shallow. So, well, actually, you know, we kind of, but I mean, for a wave 2, that's almost, it's, well, it's very bullish. Let me tell you that. Now, I do have the yellow count also. So, starting from the theory that this is a 1, 2, so this wouldn't be a third wave, but this would be another 1, and this is another 2. It does work out because we do, almost, we went a little bit below the 0.382. So that it's working. Now, if I do the fib extension, let me take the brush here. So once again, if this is the 1 and this is the 2, I did the fib extension, and we get to this level here, 1.38. And now, so 1, 2, and then this would be kind of into a diagonal because we have the 1, I'm sorry, we have the A, we have the B, and this is the C, and it did reach the, you know, a normal target for a diagonal. The only thing that is not super nice, it's that it's diagonal. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. So now we would be in the fourth one, and as you can see, the fourth one, we already reached these levels because, you know, here already entered the 0.236. Now this could be once again an ABC, or maybe this is about it. So I would say maybe we're still working on the B. Maybe we go a little bit higher, maybe not. Let's see and find out. If I say that this is the A, bring the setting for wave B. Actually, did I? Because I realized I had some saved setting, and yeah, actually, let me redo it again. Very important when we work on the linear scale to click fib levels based on the log scale, because otherwise, if you don't do that, it's going to go on the linear one. All right, so we should push a little bit higher, even though here we already reached the 0.5. Ideally, we go between the 0.618. Actually, we just touched the 0.618, is it? Yeah, here almost. Okay, so I'm looking for maybe a higher level now, and then maybe a deeper correction. Let's see how that is going to work out. Also, crucial moment here, because we are about to do, I think that 3-4 days ago I did tell you, watch out for the dead cross, which is when the MA 50 cross below the MA 200, or maybe they're just going to touch and then they'll continue to skyrocket. What else? What else? What else? I want to add another count, and that's much less sexy. That would be, this is just a wave A, this is a wave B, and this is a wave C, and this would be just a wave 1. Okay, so that's something that I'm looking also, but that would be really the worst case scenario. And if that is the case, then what would be the pullback? So any way you count it, or I count it, you can see that I am looking for a correction now, pretty much. Either wave 4, or a bigger wave 2, or this is just a 1 ABC, complete wave 1, and we're going to have a wave 2. So I think blue it's okay. And just want to put here 1, 2, then we're going to have a 3, a 4, and a 5. Just put them there. Don't look at the where I put it, where I put the numbers. I just put them there for a moment. But yeah, so we have many scenario now, and I would say first thing first, I'm going to follow closely this yellow count. If yellow count doesn't work, then I am going to watch for yeah, this blue count. Yeah, pretty much. Now if I go here, so you can see that we also have, if I go on the 12 hours, that's a 7 minutes video. It's honestly not, we don't have many things that change, right? So this is still a third wave. This could still be an A, B, C worst case scenario. And yeah, now it's crazy. I cannot see anything. Too many, because we did reach the 0.618, so I don't want to have it to go, we cannot afford to go lower. Otherwise, I need to rearrange the counts after, and it's going to be a little bit messy. So we go the 1 hour now. So I think, yeah, pretty much that, I think it covered what I wanted to share with you guys. Be alert. And yeah, pretty much. I'm really looking for this level here now for the fourth wave. If it goes lower, ideally 58,589. Well, definitely if we go below 57,388, then this it's going to, actually no, it doesn't. It doesn't even relate 1, 2, because we said it's an ABC, right? So you still have room to the 0.618. So it can go pretty deep. And then if we lose that level, then I'm going to go for the blue count. So up to 51,680, I'm still bullish, and I'm taking, not for granted, but I'm looking for this level here as the low of the wave 4, and we are working on this fifth wave now. Now, as new tradition, I'm going to check the hot and mining. Yeah, yesterday I've been very bad because I didn't have the time to follow up anything. So let's see the Canadian hot and mining. What did it do? Well, honestly, I'm not impressed. Was expecting more, because I don't even know how to label that now. How did I label here? So we could I don't know. I try to see something more bullish, but I really find that this should be an A, a B, and a C for a wave 1, and now we're doing the correction. I'm going to put it here like that, but I really believe this should be the count now, honestly. Okay, so ABC kind of makes sense. I don't think we reached the 1-to-1 ratio, but let's go and see. Wave C left. Well, actually, we almost reached the 0.786. I mean, this could be good enough. Okay, so ABC for a wave 1, and this could be the wave 2. And that's after that, I'm going to go on the US one and check the difference. Yeah, okay, so this it's pretty good. Actually, let me leave this one here. So the only problem I have that if this is supposed, if all this is a wave 1 and this is working on a wave 2, I would have loved price to stop at the 0.382, then have the wave B and the wave C, and ideally go 0.618, let's say $16 or $15.95. That would be ideal. Now this could be an A, this is the B, and I'm still going to do the C. Let me move that around a little bit. And if that is the case, let me do the fibs for this B wave. Anyway, this clearly I can say this wave A is finished. Let me take the setting for wave B. So ideally we want wave B to go between 0.618 and 0.786. So almost there, still working on that. Maybe, just the 0.5 was it. And so once again, I'm monitoring this A, B, and a C. Now let me stick with one color, maybe dark blue, and this is dark blue count, unless I'm mistaken. Am I? No. All right, and yeah, so this is a wave 2. What else? I think I can take out the 0.382 now, and I can add, since it's a wave 2, we can go up to 1567, 0.786 fib retracement for a wave 2. So once again, ideally, 0.618 would be the ideal target. Since we were already so low, we could go a little bit lower, and that would be a wave 2. So let me put it here. So this would be wave 1, this would be a wave 2, then we're going to have a 3, 4, and 5. Once again, don't look at the counts. For the 3, 4, 5, I'm just putting it there. Put it a little bit bigger. All right, so this is pretty much all for hot. I'm curious to see the US one. Yeah, you see the US one is the same, is it? Did I not go enough? Yeah, it's really... I mean, the US one, it looks so much better though. And we do have still the ABC. Oh, okay, I already labeled it like that. I kind of forgot. And it pretty much did the same thing, even if it did work one day more, because Monday it was open and Canadian market were closed. And this is the AB. Okay, so let's go and check that. I'm going to move this around now, because I do believe we're not done yet, but we never know. And so I am counting this once again as a wave A, a B, and possibly doing another wave C. Maybe I'm going to change the setting for the blue. So now we know. And I can take out the 0.32, cleaner chart. Now do the fib retracement for this B wave. Where did it go? Up to now anyway. Okay, 0.786. That's ideal target for a wave B. So for now that it's not a bad. Let me put it smaller. Move it around. Take out some numbers and put it on the left side. So a little bit cleaner like that. Okay, so A, B, and so if that is the case, let's go and measure ideal target for the wave C. One-to-one ratio would be, yeah, pretty much the 0.618 for the ABC, wave 2, bigger wave 2. So it's 1073 or 1071. Pretty neat, pretty close. Let's see if this count is going to work out. Let me shrink it a little bit so can fit them both. All right, so this, can I do the same thing on the Canadian maybe? Yeah, but we don't know. You know, the B wave, it's still, it's a little bit, yeah, the American one, because of that lower that was able to do, it's easier to make the, you know, the chart will just look better. Anyway, this is pretty much all. Well, 16 minutes video. Sorry about that, but I think once in a while, you know, it's nice to take the time and see what happened. And especially, we really need to pay attention on Bitcoin over this weekend and see what it's doing, because if we lose a lot, I would say we need to watch for this 60,230 and also the previous week here at 59,550, let's say. If we lose that level, I fear that, you know, we are going to have a deep correction. And if you did open any long on altcoins, then you may want to maybe put some stop limit or something like that. All right, so have a nice weekend. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.